Hey, what's up guys? So before I start this install, basically what I did was I just laid everything out to make sure everything worked, and this is how it's going to go on the car. If you look at the holes, you can see how it's lined up. And as far as the back goes, those two bolts right there that go into your suspension, those are right here. So here's the car. Like that. So I gotta loosen these up and then I'll put that bracket in or whatever. I got them in. So the side brackets are in. This is up here like that. Alright, I got the right side in. Now the only issue I found is that now I have this weird oil leak. I see some. It should be eating oil, and it's not eating it, so I don't know. So we'll see what's up with that. What's going on, guys? So check this out. So this is day 2 of the install. Basically, my camera died and I had to go to school. But so basically right now I have to swap the panels because I couldn't reach the bolts, the hardware that go onto the side panels. So I gotta fix that and we should be good to go. Oh, and also I had to swap the back brackets back because they weren't sitting you know, level. Our first thing we're gonna do is disconnect this battery. Able to get the bolts. If I were to swap this, I would be able to just tighten the bolts right here. Alright, there it is. It's fixed. Now I have access to the hardware. So we'll just do the same on this side, and then we should be good. That part's done. Alright, so I just got the back bolts in. Now I'm just tightening it up. That's what it goes to. Alright, time to put the these side bolts in and we should be done. Sides are down. Front's about to be down. Oh, by the way, this nut right here, yeah, I lost it. I dropped it. So
That's why these are two sizes. That's why these Allen keys are two sizes, because I dropped the hardware. But that's okay because it still works. Just had to go down local hardware store and get something.